And by the way, this is Book of Emmanuel. Book of Emmanuel, a memoir of my life. I've watched so many camping videos, bushcraft, camping, and oh, Lord knows, in the amount of days, the past days, how many YouTube videos I done watched. I don't watch anything from camping essentials, the do's and don'ts on your first camping trip. We're finna see if all this stuff I've been watching is gonna be put to the test. So let's, pray for my retention. And we're gonna get to it. So I'm about to load up the car and then we're gonna head that way. We still on the way. We're still on the way. Got like, what, 2 hours left? We got like, yeah, we stay like 4 hours away. But, yeah, I'll get back with you guys when we get there. Okay, so we got to the campsite. Oh, yeah. I'll tell y'all one thing, it's hot. Yeah, it's the campsite. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. Y'all bear with me. I've never did this before. Like I said earlier on the YouTube videos. So it shouldn't be that hard. Just let y'all know this is a core 10-person tent. We do have a group of people that's gonna be joining us on our camping adventure. I'm not sure if it's all of our first time, but it's definitely my first time. For my girl, she's been camping before, but for me, I haven't. So this is a whole new experience that you get to experience with me. But I have a core 10-person tent, and we're gonna set this up for y'all. Oh, I'm missing one thing. I don't know if we have to stake this into the ground. Just torque it to the ground. Can you come here, give me a hand? I'm just messing up our polo tarp. Can you stretch it out over there? Whew, that sun is beaming. Hold on, we're gonna take a short intermission. A little short intermission right quick. Okay. We had technical difficulties, but baby girl has been getting the tent set up. Let me do some work. You take a break. You just instruct me. Okay. Tell me where to go.
Take that pole.
All right.
And insert it.
We're gonna do the sides first, right?
Yep.
All right.
Put it in at the top first.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Ooh, that is hot.
Very. Now you'll put this.
Oh man, it is hot. I know we're not fully done. Once I get back and everybody get here and get their stuff in, I'm going to do a tour of the camp once everything gets set up. So I'll see y'all. As you can see, it was light outside. Right now it's dark. Finna give y'all a little tour of the campsite before the lights, oh, I said lights. I mean, before the sun actually all the way goes down and it's complete pitch black dark. So let me show y'all something right quick. We turn this around right here. We turn this around. This is a good view of it. So this is the campsite. We got the little kitchen area over here. I'm gonna bring you out to the most exciting part right here. We're gonna go to the tent. You know, I'm gonna set up a fire in a minute. Y'all gonna see that. But it's gonna be when me and my lady's gonna sleep. My brother's gonna sleep there. And then we have 3 more people coming. There's gonna be a bed here, and then a bed here. And then there's the fan. I also got this portable fan right here. And I got that fan there. We cooking with chicken grease, y'all. Let me go show y'all this view though. Look at that sunset. But yeah, I'm gonna get right back with y'all. I'm gonna show y'all me setting up the fire in a second. All right, so the day has been going. Good first experience. Now that I'm out here, I get to see that, you know, this is what camping is about. Let me turn this. Now that I'm out here, I get to see what camping is about. So we're just gonna take this time, enjoy ourselves, kick it. And tomorrow, we got a lot planned. I'm gonna go hiking, fishing, support, so. We in it, let's get it. The TED Talk, what have you learned in life so far? Cherish your memories, because time go by fast. Make memories.
Oh, I don't got no. Top of your head.
What thing is you trying to change the bathroom?
I don't know how to use it up though.
It's okay, just keep it like that.
Look, I was gonna tell you, if we go to the Walmart, y'all gonna get the cheaper route. I got you.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the ride's like $5-10 at Walmart.
I ain't really that interested in fishing. I mean, I'll throw one of y'all's out there. If I catch some, I catch some. But I'm gonna buy my own little setup. I just want one rig. I don't need all of them. Yeah.
Well, if I was you,
I need one.
no spinning reel.
No, I'm gonna get a bait caster. So we're just not getting the day started. It's currently like, what time is it? It's 11, peak of the day. And we're about to walk this, I think what, 3-mile trail? I know it's hot. The highest heat is gonna get today is 99. It's currently like 87, but we're gonna get through it. When I take a break, I'll get back with y'all.
We look to the mountains. We don't care if it's only a dream. Nothing is really what it seems anyway. Now little by little, in the twilight's gentle flow, in the dance of fading light we grow. And all of the warnings, when you wanna be loved by everyone, you get fooled by anyone so easily. I'm lost, you say it's time.
All right, we're just taking a little break. It's hot as I don't know what. About to be almost done. We're at 1.8. The whole trail is 2.13.
While the boats are leaking, soon the walls will be giving in. Anytime now, anytime now. Another shrug of the shoulders. I guess I'll be walking home in the rain. I lost you, but then you were mine again. Just let the wind and the fire.
How was the trail?
Trail was great. It was very hot, but cakewalk.
It was good. I think I need to get back in the gym, but it was a good workout for sure. For sure. If I just get a little breather, maybe I can do it again.
We had expectations when we went out there. Some of us made it, some of us didn't. Let me stop. Hey, it was fun. It was fun though. Like, it's hot. Right. But it was fun though. It wasn't like other trails that we've been on, but it was real easy though. It's just super hot.
It was cool, man. Yeah, like I said, I work out on the daily, so you know what I'm saying. I'm drenched because it's what 97 degrees right now. Yeah, but for the most part, yeah, I'm good. That was easy. I wanted to keep going, but you know these little slow pokes that slowed down.
All right, so tonight is our last night here at Cedar Hill State Park. Yeah, Cedar Hill State Park. My weekend has been wonderful. I can't doubt it. I mean, I truly got to experience what camping is. And it's been noted to not camp in the summer because, the temperatures in Texas just get extremely hot. Like, at night, it kind of cools off, but it's like 80 degrees cool. But, like, at peak sun, 2 o'clock, from 12 to 2, oh my gosh. Oh, man. It was very tough. Like, at parts, I just wanted to sit in the shade like a lion and just not do nothing. And that's what I wanted to experience. I do think in the future, I want to do way more solo camping trips and maybe trips with just me and my lady. And then here and there, just a guy's, trip. But I truly wanted to like get into solo camping. I will get into solo camping. It's going to be a big hill for me to cross because it's like I'm soaking in all this knowledge from fellow, YouTubers, outdoor YouTubers. And I'm trying to learn as I go, and this experience helped me. I do know that I will not be camping in the summer as much. I may do it like in early summer, but this heat, I don't know, like if I can bear that heat. Only during the daytime, but yeah, I'm learning the experience. So as I go on and grow, this will not be my last video. But I'm just learning. We're gonna get some good experiences. All right, y'all. We're about to get ready to go. And all I got left to take down, I got to pack up the tent and pack up the car. Well, most of the stuff is already packed up the car because last night I was because we need to be on the I-10 by 10 out of here. But I've had a very wonderful trip. First camping trip. How did you like it? I need y'all to do me a favor. Like and comment so this could be spread out. Let's just take in this view right quick. It is currently like 10 something in the morning. But after watching this video, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Did I do a good job editing? Very first time doing a cinematic type of thing. And it took countless of hours. I haven't even edited yet, but I can tell you that the process in editing this is going to be crazy. But I definitely learned a lot. If y'all have any tips and tricks for my next video, go ahead and put it in the comment section. I will be reading, so be kind. Even though I could take some criticism on what I could have did better. Yeah, so yeah, put it down in the comments and don't be afraid to hit that like button. But until next time, oh, and by the way, this is Book of Emmanuel. Book of Emmanuel, a memoir of my life. And from here on out, I'll be doing outdoors and travel content. So just stay tuned. I got a lot coming. But yeah, I'll see y'all.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Who that, baby? Who that?
Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time, as I will passing by, leave a mark in our marks to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna